check this out. All that's little fish all bouncing and popping up to the surface. Isn't that weird? I've not seen that before. Like little sprats. Oh, if I put my glasses on I can see them better. Little silver. Every now and again you see a little bit of silver popping up on the surface. Turn the camera down a little bit. Isn't that weird? Doesn't seem like anything's chasing them though. And that's the bait fish that's in here. Don't really have anything that copies that lure wise. It's weird, isn't it? So, I mean, see if I can foul hook one. Right, we've got new bait clip rigged in, and this is the new lure off eBay. I think it was £6.99. Sparrow. Now let me get out the packet. Now you think, oh, they'd be a load of crap for that price, but I tell you what, it's got like a various like candy cotton colour on it, but it's got that one-way ball bearing system in it as well, where, see, once it's falling it can't fall back, you've got to lift it down for casting. So in theory it should be good. Alright, it looks alright. I love the sort of holographic look to it, and of course those little fish that were jumping there, they were silver, about half the size of this. But so let's get the wires. And it has got, I'm not keen on free triple trebles on there, but I'll probably end up taking one of them off later. But, right, oh god, these hooks, even the hooks are quite tidy. They look like good saltwater hooks. So now I don't know what sort. It's supposed to be shallow diving, I believe. But some of these things, they say shallow diving and then they go more than a metre deep, which is not what I want. But I've got my waders on, so I can always go and retrieve it. Right, we've got it on. Let's give it a try then. So I'll keep a camera running. Let's have a little, there's a little sort of deep patch by here, so we'll just let me take my sunglasses off. It's not sunny enough yet for the sunglasses. No, I can't see any movement in this water, so I don't think there's any much in the way of fish in here. Oh, there you are, there's a wobble to it. Hold on, let me turn the camera down. It's not ideal trying to do it while it's attached to the rod like this. Yeah, not bad. It's got a nice little, quite a short wiggle to it. Do like it, do like that a lot. Now then, what sort of depth are we going to get to? So I'm going to do a short cast because I don't want to. It seems to be within that 1 foot off the surface. Try a slightly longer cast. Sort of medium quick retrieve here. Oh, it didn't snag out. I think I need to adjust the tensioner on my reel. I don't want to get a bird's nest this time of morning. That won't be a good way to start a day. Oh, mating bottom. I think there's a shallow spot there. I've hit something. Grabbed a bit of weed on that. And of course, as soon as that happened, the action stopped on it. So. Sorry birds, didn't mean to scare you. Yeah, right, okay. So far, quite good. Quite promising. Now it's very, I say, very gentle in its wobble. Sort of, only sort of about that much. I mean, some of my lures, they sort of more like that. This one's a much more subtle, I think is the word I'll use there. A much more subtle wobble. I've shown you what I've forgotten to do is I've shown you the action on the lure. It's too short there. But I haven't shown you the castability of it. Now, I can't remember if it's only 15 or 18 grams, so that wasn't my best cast. I didn't have it high enough in the air, but no, I'm stuck on a rock straight away. Ah, Christ almighty. I mean, at least it's casting, you know, straight and like an arrow, rather than like some of the cheap lures I've got that cast like parachutes. I'll try it a little bit into the wind. Yeah, it is flopping in the wind then. Right, so it's alright castability as long as it's not into wind too much. Is it a floating lure? Yeah, so it's also a floating lure as well. A very, very slight wobble on it though. I mean, maybe that works. I'm not sure. So I don't think there's any fish in here to really give it a good go yet. Anyway, battery's going to run out, so it's been Glyn Cheapskate Gaming. Thank you for your view, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.